Hello friends, welcome to the next session of reasoning. The first session we have taken, the topic was blood relation, and in that session we have discussed about the subject, the syllabus, basic about the blood relation and some questions based on blood relations. So friends, in this session we are going to do the more questions. Like as we have discussed, the question was segregated based on three types, like statement based, equation based and set based. So I am going to solve here some question based on statement based, and thereafter I am going to jump to the equation based question, right? Okay, so you can look at the question, question number 7, right? Okay, so the question is, Deepak said to Nitin, the boy playing football is younger of the two brother of the daughter of my father's wife. How is the boy playing football related to Deepak? So first of all, any arrangement start with I. So how it will be made? How it will be made? This arrangement I will start with I, right? And thereafter my father's wife. So I will make my father's wife. Thereafter the daughter of my father's wife, that means my father's wife daughter, that means my sister. So I can write it as my sister. Okay, thereafter younger of the two brothers of my sister. So one brother can be I itself and the other brother can be the second brother, right? So I is saying about this, he is saying, that means he is saying about his brother. So answer to this question will be B, brother. Okay, coming to the question number 8, like the question is, Anil introduces Rohit as the son of only brother of his father's wife. How is Rohit related to Anil? So in this question, the keyword my is not there, right? In this question, Anil and Rohit is there. So we can take the question in that context, right? He is saying like Anil introduced Rohit as the son of only brother of his father's wife. So I can make his father's wife, thereafter only brother of his father's wife. So his father's wife, only brother, that means this, and only son of the brother. So this will be the son, right? So Rohit and Anil can be cousins. So answer of this question will be A, cousin, right? Okay, question number 9. Like the question we have is, Veena, who is the sister-in-law of Ashok, is the daughter-in-law of Kalyani. Dheeraj is the father of Sudeep, who is the only brother of Ashok. How Kalyani is related to Ashok? So in this question also we don't have the keyword I, but we have to think about the person whose name is given in the question. So how the question will be, Veena, who is the sister-in-law of Ashok? So sister-in-law can be the sister of wife. So we can write it as Veena, who is the sister-in-law of Ashok. So first we draw Ashok, then Ashok wife, then Veena is her sister. So I can write it as Veena is her sister, and she will be definitely female, wife will be definitely female, and Ashok will be definitely male. Okay, Veena, who is the sister-in-law of Ashok, is the daughter-in-law of Kalyani. So Veena is the daughter-in-law of Kalyani, that means the husband of Veena, that means that will be male, and his mother is Kalyani. So I can write Kalyani here. Thereafter Dheeraj is the father of Sudeep, who is the only brother of Ashok. So I can write here Dheeraj is the father of Sudeep, who is the only brother of Ashok. So I can write Sudeep here, and it is saying that Dheeraj is the father of Sudeep. So here Dheeraj I can write here, right? Dheeraj I can write here. So question is how Kalyani is related to Ashok. So Kalyani is here and Ashok is here. How they are related? Mother-in-law. This will not be mother-in-law. Thereafter aunt. This will not be the aunt. Wife definitely not be there, and none of these. So answer of this question will be D. None of these. Right? Okay. So I am taking just one more question based on this type, like statement based, and thereafter I am moving forward toward the equation based question. Right? Okay. So I am taking the question number 11. Like the question is introducing Salman. Amir says she is the wife of only nephew of only brother of my mother. How is Salman related to Amir? So in this question, I keyword is there, my keyword is there. So I start drawing with I, and my mother I can draw like this. Only brother of my mother, that means I can draw like this. Thereafter only nephew of the only brother of my mother, only nephew of the only brother of my mother. So what is nephew? Nephew is the sister's son. So nephew will be I only, right? And his wife, that means I am talking about my wife. So answer will be A, wife, right? Okay, let us think about this question one more time. Like the question is saying introducing Salman. Amir says she is the wife of only nephew of only brother of my mother. How Salman is related to Amir? So I started with I, my mother, and only brother of my mother, this. Thereafter only nephew, that means I itself, and wife of only nephew, that means I am talking about my wife. Then answer will be A, wife, right? So friends, this was all about the statement based type of question, where we were given with some statements, and based on this statement we had to find out that how two persons are related to each other, right? Okay, so in the second type of question we are going to solve equation based question, right? Okay. Okay, so this time I am going to start with equation based question, right? So in equation based question, the question will be in the form of plus, you will be given an equation, and the equation will be form of plus, minus, multiply, divide, dollar, percentage, as we have discussed in the concept. So the question, I am coming on the question number 16. Like the question is A plus B means A is the mother of B, A minus B means A is the brother of B, A percent B means A is the father of B, and A multiplied by B means A is the sister of B. Which of the following shows that P is the maternal uncle of Q, right? So in this question, what we have to do, the first task, I have to draw the thing that I have to determine. Like in this question, what is asked? It is asked that which of the following means P is the maternal uncle of Q. So I can write it as question number 16, and P is the maternal uncle of Q. So Q and the mother of Q, this will definitely be a female, and P is the brother of his mother, that means that should be definitely a male. This thing we have to determine. If we check, like we have to find out which of the following means P is the maternal uncle of Q. So Q, the mother of Q, and the brother of mother is P, right? So we have to check one by the option, like in which option we are getting this kind of condition, right? So first of all we check with the option number A. Like option number A that is given is Q minus N plus M multiplied by P, right? So we can draw it as Q minus N. The meaning of minus is brother, that means Q will be the brother of N and Q is brother, so this will be a male. Thereafter the meaning of plus is mother, that means n will be the mother of m. Thereafter the meaning of multiply is sister, that means m is the sister of p. So friends, by this option we are getting this arrangement, and we had to find this q, mother of q, and brother p. So here p we are not getting the same, right? Okay, so we can check with the equation number second, equation option number b. So option number b is p plus s multiplied by n minus q. So the meaning of plus is mother, so this can be drawn, p will be the mother of s. Thereafter multiply, meaning is sister, that means s will be the sister of n, sister, so this will be a female, and this was also female, right? Again this cannot be the option, because in the option we had to find p as a male, and in this option we are getting p as a female, so definitely this cannot be the option, right? Okay, coming to the next option, like option number c, we can check, like the question is p minus m plus n multiplied by q. So we can check, the meaning of minus is brother, so this will be simple p minus m, and p is a brother, so this will definitely be a male. The meaning of plus is mother, that means m will be a mother of n, okay, and if it is a mother, so this will be definitely be a female. Multiply of meaning of multiply by is sister, that means n will be the sister of q. Being a sister, n will be a female, right? So we can check here, p is the maternal uncle of q, this condition is correct, so answer of this question will be c, right? Okay, let us check one more time that how this option is correct. P and the brother of n's mother, that means p should be the maternal uncle of n, and though n and q are brother or sister, so p will be the maternal uncle of q. This thing is definitely correct, right? Okay, so this was the first question based on the equation based question. One more question we are going to discuss based on this, right? Okay.